What has been for you, Sir Jojo, the most defining moment dito po sa journey nyo thus far as an artist na sort of shaped who you are today?
Yung experience ko for this song is something na talagang hindi ko siya makakalimutan sa buhay ko. Because I came from a very poor family. I had a sad life kasi hindi ko na-experience yung magkameron ng maayos na buhay. Because I engaged doing, yung mga walis ting-ting, the bully, ganyan-ganyan. So na-experience ko lahat yun. Kaya yung nangyayari ngayon sa buhay ko, parang hindi pa siya nagsisink in talaga. Yung lagi nasasabi ko kasi parang nangangarap pa lang rin ako until now.
And that's nice na even when things can get overwhelming dito po sa point ng buhay nyo ngayon, you always remain grounded because you know your roots. And so I want to stay right there. You shared about your struggles with poverty growing up. If you could go back in time, talk to your younger self, ano kaya pong words of encouragement yung mabibigay nyo sa younger self nyo back in the day?
Yung wag sana ikaw, Jojo, na wag kang mawawalan ng pag-asa. Never na mangyari yon kasi bawat pala isa sa atin, doon ko nakita yung the real ng buhay ay doon mo makikita na talagang ang bawat isang pangarap talagang meron siyang tamang panahon. Yun yung nakita ko sa napagdaanan ko in my life.
I love that. I love how talagang in many cases doon po makikita yung tunay na pagkatao kumbaga kung paano ka sa kahirapan kaysa sa when you're successful.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.